Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi. This is my individual reflection for our Aculaunch Capstone project. I work as a backend developer in Team 4, and today I am reflecting on everything that has happened after my previous reflections, including my updated responsibilities, contributions in later sprints, and what I learned working with my team. So this is my team. We have 5 members. Regan is the Scrum Master. Chris is the data engineer. Jacob as a decision logic and data analyst. Heaven front-end developer. Sakshi is the back-end developer. We all had a different roles, but over the semester, we became much better at coordinating our task and understanding each other's workflow. So this is our project overview. AccuLaunch is a weather-based go-no-go launch decision system. The goal is to help aerospace teams make better decision about whether a launch is safe based on weather condition. We use the Open Weather API to pull real-time weather and 5-day forecast, and we analyze key elements such as wind speed. Wind speed, humidity, temperature, visibility, cloud cover, and more. Um, the system then give a clear go or no go result that is safe for users to understand. Ma, so this is our project progress. In sprint one, we did a project decision roadmap based basic API plan. In sprint two, we core backend and weather endpoint working. In sprint three, we did backend core no go logic added, threshold reasoning implemented, started forecasting logics. In sprint four, we did backend updates, threshold customizations, front end and backend integration. So my role update in this project, my responsibility was the backend. That meant I was in charge of building and updating Flask API, connecting our project to the Open Weather service, and making sure the backend responded with clean and structured JSON, so the front end team could use it. After my previous reflections, my backend work expanded even more because we added a few features like data field and more complex decision logic. So working with the team, we use frequent group chats where we can talk about cloud cover, forecasting limits, and everything. Teammates asked the questions about API outputs and backend logics. We clarified open weather APIs for 5 days limitation. Everyone adopted the changes when sponsors said to change the requirements. We all adapted it and we worked on it too. So the challenges we faced, I personally struggle with installing Python correctly and getting my VS Code environment to run the backend. We had several issues with API keys not loading correctly from the .env file. The team also had difficulty interpreting some of the sponsors' instructions, which were unclear about the WinSir and uh, other metrics, but as a team, we solved this issue through research, discussions, and clear communications. Each challenge helped us grow and helped us to learn more things too. So what I learned from this project is how to work with live APIs and handle errors, how to update the backend logic based on changing requirements, importance of good communication in group projects, which is very much needed, how to manage GitHub branches and merge the conflicts, learn to rely on team feedbacks, gained confidence modifying backend codes, improved understanding of weather-based API decision systems. Team reflections. Our team overall became much stronger in the later stages of the project. We communicate better, set responsibilities more clearly, and support each other during technical problems. Everyone contributed something meaningful, and we all adapted when requirements changed or when new issues appeared. I am proud of my team because we managed to stay organized even during stressful weeks, and we always worked towards the same goal. So our overall project reflection is looking at the project as a whole. AccuLaunch was a great learning experience for me. I learned how to integrate real APIs, how to handle errors, how to work with JSON data, and how to backend logic supports the entire system. I also learned how important and clear communication is, especially when requirement change or when team members need help understanding each other's tasks. This project helped me understand real world software development, planning, sprint work, backend coding, fixing bugs, and integrating the other developers. Overall, I feel more confident in my backend skills and in my ability to work on a large team projects. Thank you for watching my reflections. This project taught me a lot, and we all learned the importance of the teamwork and how the discussion is really very important when you are working with the team. And I'm proud of how much we accomplished as a team. Thank you.